Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, Max. How are you today?
Good morning, Lily. I am feeling a little bit tired. It was raining very hard last night.
Oh, you are right. It was raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats and dogs? Lily, I didn't see any animals falling from the sky. I only saw water.
No, Max. That is an idiom. An idiom is a group of words with a special meaning. Raining cats and dogs just means it is raining very, very hard.
Oh, I understand now. English is funny. So, if I am very happy, can I say I am eating cats and dogs?
No, Max. That is not an idiom. If you are very happy, you can say you are on cloud nine.
On cloud nine? Like flying in the sky?
Exactly. It means you feel wonderful, like you are high up in the clouds.
I like that. Today, I am not on cloud nine because I am tired, but I am learning, so that is good.
Don't worry, Max. Learning English is not easy. It is not a piece of cake.
A piece of cake? I love cake. Is English a chocolate cake?
No, Max. When we say something is a piece of cake, it means it is very easy. For example, counting from 1 to 10 is a piece of cake.
Ah, I see. So, for me, speaking English is not a piece of cake yet. It is a bit difficult.
That is okay. You just need to practice every day, step by step.
Lily, look at the time. My English class starts in 5 minutes. I need to go fast.
Wow, you are in a hurry. Break a leg, Max.
Break a leg? Why are you so mean, Lily? I don't want to go to the hospital. I want to go to class.
Wait, Max. Stop. Break a leg is a good thing. It means good luck. We say it to people before they do something important, like a test or a show.
Oh, thank goodness. I thought you wanted me to fall down the stairs.
Never. I want you to do great.
Okay, so break a leg means good luck. English idioms are like a puzzle.
Yes, they are. But they make your English sound very natural. People use them all the time.
Let's talk about more. What if I am very nervous?
If you are nervous, you can say you have butterflies in your stomach.
Butterflies in my stomach? That sounds itchy.
It just means that funny feeling you get when you are worried or excited, like before a big presentation.
I have butterflies in my stomach right now because I have a big test today.
Don't worry, you studied hard. Just go there and do your best.
Thanks, Lily. You are a good friend. You always have my back.
Have your back. You are using an idiom too, Max.
I am? What does it mean?
It means you support me and you help me. You are a loyal friend.
Yes, I do. We are a team.
Max, look at your watch again. You are really late now. You need to hit the road.
Hit the road? Should I hit the ground with my hand?
No. Hit the road means it is time to leave. It means you need to start your journey.
Okay, I am hitting the road now.
Wait, one more. If you are very tired tonight after your test, you can hit the hay.
Hit the hay? Like a horse?
Yes, horses sleep on hay. So, hit the hay means go to sleep.
I understand. I will hit the road now, and tonight I will hit the hay.
Perfect. Max, you are learning so fast.
Thank you, Lily. Hey, can I ask you a secret?
Of course. What is it?
I am planning a surprise party for my sister's birthday next week. Please don't tell her.
Don't worry, Max. I won't spill the beans.
Spill the beans? I don't have any beans. I have a cake.
Spill the beans means to tell a secret. If I spill the beans, everyone will know the surprise.
Oh, I see. Please keep the beans in the can, Lily.
I will. My lips are sealed.
Your lips are sealed? Like with glue?
Yes, it means I will not speak. I will keep the secret.
English is so much fun. Raining cats and dogs, piece of cake, break a leg. I love it.
I'm glad you like it, Max. Idioms make the language colorful.
Lily, I have to go now, really. I don't want to be late.
Okay, Max. Go. And remember, don't be nervous about the test.
I will try. I will take a deep breath.
That's the spirit. You are a smart cookie.
A smart cookie? Does that mean I am delicious?
It means you are a very clever person.
Thank you, Lily. You are a smart cookie, too.
Goodbye, Max. See you later.
Goodbye, Lily. I'm hitting the road.
Friends, did you like our conversation about idioms? Idioms are groups of words that mean something different from the individual words. Let's review some of them. A piece of cake equals very easy. Break a leg equals good luck. On cloud 9 equals very happy. Raining cats and dogs equals raining very hard. Hit the road equals to leave. Hit the hay equals to go to sleep. Spill the beans equals to tell a secret. Smart cookie equals a clever person. English has thousands of idioms. You don't need to learn all of them today. Just try to use one or two when you speak. For example, tell us in the comments, is learning English a piece of cake for you? Or maybe it gives you butterflies in your stomach. We love to read your comments and help you learn. Every small step is important. You are doing a great job. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new today. And subscribe to our channel for more fun stories and lessons. We want to help you speak English naturally and with confidence. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay curious. Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.